Welcome to this bright, beautifully updated single-level home in one of Northeast Bend's most sought-after neighborhoods. Let's go check it out. With vaulted ceilings, modern finishes, and a layout designed for comfort and connection, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home checks all the boxes. The kitchen is fresh and functional with new stainless steel appliances, plenty of space to gather, cook, or sip your morning coffee as the day begins. Outside, enjoy a low-maintenance backyard with space for gardening, entertaining, or just unwinding under the stars. Just minutes from Rockbridge Park, the new Costco, and all the convenience of Northeast Bend, this home puts you in the perfect spot to enjoy it all. Homes like this don't come around often, so if you're ready to make your move in Bend, let's make it happen. I'm Stormy Clark with the Ladd Group. Come see what your life could look like here.